Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hilton Checkers Los Angeles. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, family rooms, non-smoking rooms, fitness center, restaurant, room service, tea, coffee maker in all rooms and a bar. Designed in 1927 by Charles F. Whittlesey, our restored hotel in the financial district is a piece of Los Angeles history with panoramic views of the city from our rooftop deck. Overlooking Pershing Square, we are within a mile of Disney Concert Hall, the Broad, and the Los Angeles Convention Center. Just 5 minutes walk from Pershing Square Subway Station, this European-style hotel features a restaurant, gym and rooftop that overlooks downtown Los Angeles. Every room offers a 42-inch flat-screen TV with HBO. Checkers restaurant offers California cuisine with French and Asian influences and serves breakfast, lunch and dinner. Guests at Hilton Los Angeles can enjoy a martini in Checkers Lounge. Located in the business and financial district of Los Angeles, this hotel is within 9 minutes walk of Los Angeles Theater and Walt Disney Concert Hall. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.